Here we are at the 3 o'clock hour, and we have about 95% of the slab is poured, looking right straight south toward the finishers that are actually putting the final finish on the slab. They're doing the hard trowel, steel trowel. Since I just brought them 5 new steel trowels, maybe they're even happier, can go faster. I'm just turning around now, looking toward the west, and that area has been knocked down and not totally finished. Now we're looking in the northeast, where the finisher is just starting his final finish. They dust it with a little cement to make it a little bit easier to finish. Sometimes we do that in the States too. So this is just a pan around to the north, and here comes some more cement. And here is the remaining portion of the slab to be poured. And we've got probably another 20 minutes of if the mortar mixers continue at their pace to finish the slab, and we'll take a look at it when the final finish, final setup is complete.